Would you like to get that soft skin and very nice looking skin in all of your portraits in Photoshop? Stay tuned. First thing we're gonna do, as always, as you see, I have this photo of this person that I took. His skin is already very soft, very good looking, but we're gonna make it even softer. We're gonna make it look natural, nice. So the first thing you wanna do is Command J. You always want to duplicate your job. In case you don't like it, you could just delete that layer and continue working on the next one. Second thing we're gonna do, Command I. Let's invert that photo. Yes, it looks horrible. I know it doesn't look good. It's gonna look better. Don't worry about it. Next thing you wanna do, we're gonna go to the blending options right here. We're gonna change it from normal. We're gonna scroll down all the way to vivid light. Once I find it, vivid light. Now you're saying, well, now I don't even have a photo. Don't worry, it's gonna get better. Don't worry. So the other thing we're gonna do after doing that, we're gonna go to filter. Right here, we're gonna go to other. We're gonna go to high pass. And this is very important. So over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep a ratio on that it will always work in all of your feature photos. It has to be that setting, otherwise it does not work for some reason. So let's bring it all the way up to 24. I went too fast. Let's do 24. We're gonna click OK. Now you're saying, yes, it looks horrible. Don't worry about it. We're gonna fix it up. It's gonna look better. Relax. Next thing, we're gonna go to filter. We're gonna go off blur, and we're gonna go to Gaussian blur. We're gonna click on Gaussian blur. So this one you wanna keep it between 2.5, 4.5. It also depends on the image. It depends on the image that you shot, depending on how the quality is of the photo. So let's see which one we're gonna pick. You wanna pick it enough that it doesn't. Let me show you. If you go all the way up, you still get some wrinkles. You see, it doesn't make any difference. But you don't want to go all the way down where it looks completely blurry, because otherwise the effect is going to be too much. So again, usually I do 3.5 to around 4.5. I think it's a little too much in there. Maybe we're going to go pass over a little bit. No, too much. Let's do 5.0. That looks pretty good. After you do that, we're gonna click OK. But as you see, the skin is very soft, but it's applied to all of the image. We wanna make sure it's only applied to certain area of the image, like the face, the hand, if they are naked, their full body. So what we're gonna do is create a mask. You're gonna go all the way down here, create a mask. We're gonna invert that mask, Command I, and now as you see, it's not implementing the whole filter on the whole photo. So how do we fix that? You want to make sure you click the B for the brush, make it a little bigger. So this is black. You want to make sure that you have white selected. You want to keep your opacity at 100%, and your flow, I would say about 30-50%. You can always go 100% and then bring it down as you want. So let's do 38. And then you're gonna just scroll over his face, and as you see, it's getting a lot smoother than what it was before. You don't want to do this in areas like hard shape, like the nose, because as you see, it doesn't look good. You want to make sure it's on those soft spot of the skin, not everywhere. It's also help you later on if you want to remove any like imperfection on the face. It makes it easier for you to be able to get rid of all of those imperfections on the face, since the skin is a lot smoother. Let's fix it over here, and now let's do it after and before. So this is without it, this is with it. It makes that skin looks a lot smoother. And this is it for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow.